Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to study reference angles. So a reference angle is the angle between the x-axis and the terminal side that is the acute value, so less than 90 degrees. So let's look at some examples here. Here, theta in quadrant 1, the reference angle is theta. In quadrant 2, if our terminal side is there, then the reference angle is this here, which is 180 minus theta. So that's what the reference angle is for quadrant 2. In quadrant 3, this is our reference angle, right? So we're going to do theta minus 180, which gives the reference angle like that. And 4, our reference angle is right here. And so this is 360 minus theta gives the reference angle like that. Okay, so example 1, determine the reference angle for the given angle. So what we're going to do is always a drawing. It really helps. So we're going to draw 130 like that, and we notice that this is the reference angle. So reference angle is 180 minus 130, so the reference angle is 50. Okay, B, 310. So here we have 310, and then this is our reference angle. So it's 360 minus 310 gives 50. C, 40 degrees, so this is our reference angle, and it is the same as 40, so reference angle 40 degrees. Okay, time for some practice. Practice number 1, determine the reference angle for the given angle, A to F. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. A, 60 degrees, so that is our reference angle, 60. B, 150, so our reference angle is here, so it's 180 minus 150 gives 30. C, 325 like that, this is our reference angle, so it's 360 minus 325, which gives 35 degrees. D, 290 like this is our reference angle, so it's 360 minus 290, which gives 70. E, 170, this is our reference angle here, so 180 minus 170 gives 10, like that. F, negative 40, so this is here. We're going to go plus 360 to make it 320 like that. So the reference angle is 360 minus 320, which is 40. Or you could just notice this is negative 40, therefore the reference angle is 40. You can do that as well. Okay, example number 2. Find all of the angles between 0 and 360 that have reference angles of 42. So the first one is quadrant 1, 42 degrees like that. Quadrant 2, this is 42 degrees, that's given to us, so our theta is right here. So this is 42 plus theta gives 180, and so this gives theta 138. Next, we have 180 plus 42 to give theta, and so that's 222 like that. See, this is 42 here, so we have 360 minus 42 gives theta, which is 318. And so these are the 4 angles. Okay, your turn. Practice. Find all of the angles between 0 and 360 that have reference angles of 61. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. Quadrant 1, 61 degrees like that, easy. Next, we have 61 here plus theta to give 180, so we isolate theta, 119. Third quadrant, this is 61 here, so 180 plus 61 gives 241. And the other one here, we have 360 minus 61 to give our theta, which is 299. And so these are the 4 angles. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.